Hello, we are at 1605 Clay Street, apartment 4. This is a large one-bedroom apartment. Right when you first walk in the door, you're in an entry hallway. There is the breaker box for the unit. You'll see the unit has hardwood floors throughout, except for the kitchen and bathroom, which have tile. Nice updated kitchen, bathroom. Nice updated bathroom. And you'll see the kitchen is updated as well. Rain shower, shower head. We have a window and a fan for ventilation. This cabinet has an endless on-demand hot water tank. Okay, pedestal sink. And we've got a couple of drawers here underneath for storage. Coming into the bedroom. Bedroom has a nice big bay window, high ceilings, gets excellent natural light. We are looking out onto Clay Street here. And this building is at the corner of Clay and 16th. Okay. Queen size bed, I think queen or a full comfortably in this bedroom. Here is the heater for the bedroom. And the closet, nice double closet. All right, coming into the living room. Beautiful crown molding detail here in the living room. Another nice big bay window. Here is the heater. Okay, kitchen. Got lots of nice wood cabinets. Double farm style sink. There's a disposal, dishwasher, electric glass top stove, microwave. We have in-unit washer dryer. And finally, a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom, and some more cabinets here on this side of the kitchen. And you got room for a little table here in the corner, or a baker's rack would be another good idea, and butcher block countertop. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Right now we are doing showings by Zoom. So please reach out. I'm happy to let you know when I'll be here for the next virtual open house. And again, this is 1605 Clay, apartment 4. Thanks for watching.